Hello everyone. Today, we will explore how to convert a PNG image to a TTF font file. It might seem tricky, but I'll walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, we need to understand why someone might want to do this. Perhaps you want to create a custom font based on your own handwriting. Maybe you have a unique logo you want to use as a font character. Converting a PNG image to a TTF font allows you to do just that. Let's begin by choosing the right software. Several programs can help with this conversion. One popular option is FontForge, which is a free and open source font editor. Another one is BirdFont, which is also free to use and easier to learn. There are online tools, but be mindful of the security of these tools, especially if the images are for commercial purposes. After you've picked your software, install and open it. Next, you'll need to prepare your PNG image. Make sure it's a black and white image. The black areas will become the font characters. White areas will be transparent. Consider resizing the image for better results. A square aspect ratio is generally best practice. Now, import the PNG image into your chosen software. This process varies depending on the program. In FontForge, you typically import the image into a specific glyph slot. A glyph is just the visual representation of a character, such as A or 1. After importing, you might need to trace the image. Some software can automatically trace the image and create vector outlines. Alternatively, you can manually trace it using the software's drawing tools. Clean up the outlines for a professional look. Remove any unnecessary points or imperfections. Be accurate. Next, assign a character to the glyph. This step tells the software which key on the keyboard will produce this character. For example, you might assign your PNG to the letter A. Carefully consider which character to assign each glyph. Adjust the character's baseline and side bearings. The baseline is the imaginary line on which the characters sit. Side bearings are the spaces on either side of the character. These settings affect the font's overall appearance. If you have more characters, repeat the steps above. Import the PNG, trace the image, assign a character, and adjust the baseline and side bearings for each one. Once you are happy with all your characters, it's time to export the font. Choose the TTF format when exporting. This ensures that the font is compatible with most systems. Finally, install your new TTF font on your computer. Test it in a word processor or text editor to ensure it works correctly. And that's how to convert a PNG image to a TTF font. Remember to practice and experiment with different settings to achieve the best results. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and sharing it. Every little bit helps. Also, consider subscribing for more content like this. It really motivates me to create more helpful videos.